In this video, I would like to show my final project for iOS development. First, let's look at the main storyboard. I have a navigation view. One is going to the calculator, and the other one going to the Paint program. And the navigation view use static table. I will run it. Okay. This part, just ignore it. And for the final project, the calculator, we can do the integer calculation, and we have the n plus I minus recall or cancel. If I call recall, it's the same number. I call recall, it's showed here, and cancel, just delete it, and now MR is 0. And also add clear button and clear all button. Also, if you toggle this, I can do float calculator, the point is here. So point to, yeah, it works. And n plus, and just do some calculation, n plus, and now it adds together and to clear it. Okay, great. Okay, and we can go back to the main menu to go to paint. For the paint, if you choose the shape and fill in orange, here rectangle, fill in orange. If it's outline, I want you to pick the RGB value. For example, here, this one should go to yellow, right? Yeah, outline rectangle, and in and out with red. Okay, you can see an outline and the in. And also I can draw circles, only outline. Now this time let's do purple. Okay, and fill in. If I choose fill in, the outline color will disappear. Now I choose in and out. Okay, a sign inside with a purple outside, square. Okay, and fill in with some other color, black. Okay, now let's look at code. For the calculator one, calculator view controller. Okay, so it's I have a Boolean value to determine is it integer or float. If it's integer, it will store all the values in the integer ones. If it's float, it will store all the values in the float ones. Every time I just use if else to determine if it's a float or not. So this part looks easy, and now let's go to the paint part. Paint controller. Okay, and probably I want to do this. Okay, for the paint controller, and we have a picker, we have some RGB sliders, and show the values here, and I have a button draw. So when I click draw, okay, this part just set up the picker view, and this part just determine if it select the in, out, or outline. The hidden part here will be shown, otherwise it will be hidden. And for the draw button here, draw shape, okay, I just changed the RGB values to a CG color and set it as outline color actually, but I call it background color. And I just create shape with the shape selected and the color here, and the background color if it has. Otherwise, I just use red, and a draw type just in the middle line, and append the shape to the shape list, and ask the shape list to ask the canvas to draw. This is the canvas. I ask it to draw and display it and draw it. Okay, now let's look at the canvas code here. Okay, the canvas just store a shape list, background color, actually use this, and this one is to draw. When if the to draw is true, I will draw it at the beginning. Just no, don't draw it because we have no shapes in the list. And when I draw, just every line I have 4 items, and after 4 items I will change to the other line, the code just here. And when I draw it, just call shape and draw. When I draw, I don't know what type it is, but I save the draw type in the code, and this is the other code. Because the paint view controller, the draw button, and the canvas here, the code are so simple. So I move all the junk code here. First, I created some enum list to store the values. Then I create a shape class. The shape class has some functions: draw field, draw outline, and draw inline, in and out. And I still the fill color, stroke color, and draw mode. And every time I call draw strategy, it will test if the draw mode is field or outline or in and out. Then they call different draw functions. And the real draw function are coded within the subclasses. This is the line shape. And you can see when I draw the outline, because a line don't have an outline, so I just draw a different kind of, this is the line dash, just draw a different kind of line. So this one is line dash to it. And after I draw the line, I have to reset the value. And here other subclasses are quite easy actually, just very as regular as the other methods. And here, this is the shape factory, because I don't want to create a shape calling different constructors. I don't want to call a new square shape, some blah blah blah, and I just call create shape, and it is a square shape and with different colors. Then it can call the relative constructors. Okay, so just show the result again. Okay, and line field line is straight line. If use outline, draw. Okay, just little dash. This is a longer dash. In and out. Okay, yeah. Just want to show line shape. Others are the same. Just work as it defined. Okay, yeah, that's it.